Hey guys, and welcome back to Aussie Action 4x4. In today's episode, we're taking a look at my brand new Holden Colorado. Alright, so the last time you saw us, we had this bad boy off-road tackling the tracks out at Ormo, and unfortunately, we weren't able to give you a run through, but that's what today's for. Let's dive right in. Alright, first things first, got an EFS bull bar. It's one of the cheap ones on the market, but it's, you know, held up pretty well so far. Moving on down under, got a winch mounted down here. It's just an old worn 9,000 pound. It does the job, but we'll probably be upgrading that in the future, especially since it's running cable. I much prefer the synthetic options. Up here, we just got a cheapo King's light bar. I pulled it off the Pathfinder. It's on here, it works. Maybe get some spotties in the future just to get that extra distance, but it does the job for now. Moving up top, we just got a cheapo UHF. I pulled it off eBay, it does the job, and it's been surviving so far. And one thing I can't ever forget, the memory of the Pathfinder with a little Nissan logo. Alright, let's jump further back. Oh, rightio, moving on to the side. Up here we've just got the factory Holden Colorado snorkel. Yeah, I'll probably chuck a stainer on in the future, but it's working for now. Moving up front, just chuck some little black accents on it, spice it up a little bit, clean it up a little bit, you know how it is. Talking of clean things, let's drop down below. Rightio. So we got factory 17-inch rims, slapped on some highway terrains just for now. They're a little bit bigger than stock standard, 285, 65, 17s. Eventually those will be some nice muddies, I reckon. Alright, let's slide on back. We'll have a check on the interior. So, nothing too crazy going on here for now, just little protective mods. First up, shark skin seat covers, fitted to the car, mint, just the neoprenes, you know, take them off, wash them whenever you need. Dropping down below, we got the 3D mats in the Max Track pattern. Very durable, easy to wash, you know, got nothing to hate about them. And then we just got a dash mat on top, keeps the glare down a little bit when you're driving down the highway at night, not too bad. One little dodgy thing that definitely needs to be sorted is my UHF. Yeah, I might just have to show you this one. Let's dive right in. Oh, rightio. So, my current 12 volt setup, it's nothing special. I don't even have a second battery yet, but what I do have is a UHF, USB charger. Don't look too hard at the wiring because you may give yourself a heart attack. Moving on back a little bit, I do have a little King's heads-up display. Gives me my GPS speed to account for the tyre size, because as you know, dash will be out if your tyres are too large. Alright, let's swing around the back and have a look at some of our DIY mods. Oh, rightio. Now that we're down the back, let's have a look at some of our little DIY mods that we've done back here. Starting off is our storage boxes. Two of those, about 60 something litres each. Not too bad. They're bolted down, so I don't need any ratchet straps or any of that doohickeys hanging around. What next? Let's see. This right here, I wouldn't recommend using that as a recovery point because it may just rip the entire tray off the vehicle. So instead, little hitch, not too bad, plugs into your tow bar. It's a really strong point and it'll get you out of any situation pretty much. Got a little drawer, store your dirty recovery straps. I can't find the button. There we go. It goes down about 2.5 meters. Pretty mint. You can fit an entire human in there. Radio. And of course, last but not least, I'm about to show you something that is going to be the new meta for four-wheel drives around Australia. Let's take a little peek. Rightio. So if you have a look at these bad boys, they're mud flaps, legal height off the ground. The old ones I had were only about yay long, didn't cover much of anything. These bad boys, slap the chain on them, slap some turf, and you're good to go. Oh, rightio guys, thank you so much for watching. This has been another episode of Aussie Action, and if you wish to see this thing on the track some more, stay tuned. Aussie Action, over and out.